students. Hope you all are fine. In previous lecture, we have completed chapter 3 and hope you have done whole chapter. I sent you MCQs, fill-ups, assignments to you. Do those assignments and complete the chapter 3 and make the notes. Now we'll start next chapter, chapter 4, determinants. The definition of determinant is to every square matrix A is equal to Aij of order n. Aij belongs to real number. We can associate a unique real number called determinant of a matrix A denoted by determinant of A or this sign between two parallel lines. When you put a matrix, then it is determinant of matrix A as a function which associates each square matrix with a unique real number that is written as f is any function from M to N R, where M is domain of the function and R is the codomain of the function. As it is written in the definition, M is a set of all square matrices. You can just only find out the determinant of only those matrices which are square matrices. Domain of the matrix is square matrix, and each and every square matrix mapped by a unique real number. Mapped by a unique real number. That unique real number is known as the determinant of that matrix. A determinant is written as determinant A or denoted by triangle sign. Second important point, only square matrices have determinant 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. In your syllabus, it is up to 3 by 3, order 3. In third point, if A is matrix having elements A, B, C, D, the determinant is written as between the parallel line, you have to write down the matrix elements. These are what? A, B, C, D, and it is denoted by triangle sign, this one. So in whole we can conclude it. Only you can find out the determinant of a square matrix only, and matrix is a whole arrangement, rectangular arrangement, and determinant is a particular real number which is mapped by each and every square matrix. It means what? Each and every square matrix can be represented by a single number. That number is known as a determinant. Now, how to find out the determinant value of 1 by 1, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices? First, value of a determinant, if the determinant of a matrix of order 1. If the determinant of matrix of order 1, a matrix of 1 by 1 order, it is written as A is equal to matrix having element 2 of 1 by 1 order. First of all, write down in the form of determinant, put A in a parallel sign, parallel lines is equal to parallel lines between 2 is written in between the parallel lines, and the answer of 1 by 1 order is the number which is written in the determinant same as it is. The answer is 2. For second example, this A is equal to minus 3, 1 by 1 order matrix having element minus 3. First of all, write down as a determinant of A is equal to determinant of minus 3. The answer is same as element is given in a determinant form, that is minus 3. So in 1 by 1 form, number itself is a real number which represents the matrix or determinant of the matrix. In second case, determinant of a matrix of order 2. 2 by 2 order matrix, if it is given to you, then how to find out the determinant value of that matrix? A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. It is general form to write 2 by 2 matrix. A11 means first row, first column element. A12 means first row but second column element, and A21 means second row, first column element, and A22 means second row and second column element. How to find out the determinant of it? First of all, again write down in the form of determinant. Put in parallel line sign and write the matrix elements in the parallel lines. This is the notation of the determinant. Now to calculate the number, you have to use the cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication of first A11 multiplied by A22. It is written here A11 and A22 are multiplied, and then minus sign A12 multiplied by A21, like this. In note it is already written. First you have to multiply these two elements and minus sign then, and then multiply the second arrow elements. For example, here you can take A matrix having elements 5, 3, 2, minus 1. It is written in the form of determinant between the parallel lines. Now first you have to multiply 5 with minus 1. You will get minus 5, put minus sign, then multiply 3 by 2. It is 6. Minus 5 minus 6, that is minus 11. So determinant value of given matrix is minus 11. Second example, A is equal to having elements 2x, 3y, 7x square minus 5y, 2 by 2 order matrix. Again, it is written as in the form of determinant. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of these elements. Now first you have to multiply 2x by minus 5y, put minus sign, then 3y by 7x square. You will get minus 10xy minus 21x square y. This is a way to calculate 2 by 2 matrix as a determinant. What is a determinant value? You can calculate by this method. Now for the 3 by 3 order matrix, you have to go for the determinant of a matrix of order 3. Suppose a matrix is given A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a matrix given to you. First of all, you have to know about the signs of elements. Here I have written a note, signs of elements. First row, first element is a sign positive. First row, second element, minus sign. First row, third element, positive sign. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. From where you get this signs, here is a formula, you must know about it. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 will give you first element sign. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 gives you second sign. Yes, you can see A11, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 to the power 2, it gives you positive sign. Minus 1 to the power 3, 1 plus 2 from A12, it gives you minus sign. Similarly, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 gives you plus sign. In the second row, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3. For the third row, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3. You will get these signs. You have to remember these signs or a pattern to find out the signs. Now you have to find out the determinant value of 3 by 3 order matrix. Here is a way to find out. First of all, given matrix is written as the determinant form. It is written here. Now determinant of A. First take A11 and its sign is positive sign plus A11. Now leave the A11 lying row and column. Element lying in row first and column first. First row and first columns are left. What is left here? A22, A23, A32, A33. 2 by 2 determinant is there. Now take A12. First two elements I am using to calculate the determinant. A12 is having sign minus sign. It means put here minus of A12 and leave the first row and second column. What elements are left? A21, A23, A31 and A33. 2 by 2 order determinant. Come to the A13. Sign is positive sign. Plus of A13. and leave first row and third column in which this element is lying, first row and third column. What is this 2 by 2 determinant left? A21, A22, A31, A32. Now you know how to solve the 2 by 2 determinant. Same process will be applied here. A11 as it is, and cross multiplication take place. A22 multiplied by A33 minus sign, A23 multiplied by A32. Cross multiplication method, same method which is used to find the 2 by 2 determinant. A1 minus sign, A12 cross multiplication again take place, plus A13 cross multiplication take place. Simplify these elements, you will get a single number, that is a number which represents the 3 by 3 determinant. Here you can see example. A matrix is given. I have written it in a form of determinant already. 3 minus 2 5 1 2 minus 1 0 4 7 in a determinant form. You have to find out the determinant value. Take 3, leave first row and first column. 2 by 2 determinant is left, that is 2 minus 1 4 7. Write it here. Yes. Now take minus 2. Minus sign is already in a formula and number is also having a minus sign. Both signs are written here, minus of minus 2. When you leave first row and second column, you will get 1 minus 1 0 7 2 by 2 determinant. Now take 5, third element with plus sign. Leave first row, third column. What you will get? 1 2 0 4 as a 2 by 2 determinant. Now apply the cross multiplication method in 2 by 2 solution. 3 as it is here. 7 2s are 14. 4 2s are 4 1s are minus 1 and minus sign in formula. 14 plus 4. Minus into minus 2. This is 7 minus 0. Plus 5 as it is. 4 into 1, 4 minus 0. Now you will get 54. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 3s are 54. 7 2s are 14. 5 4s are 20. Add them. What you will get? 88. Now few illustrations are there which will differentiate matrix and determinant and how to solve the determinant question also. First illustration is here. Find the value of x where x is greater than 0 if determinant of this is equal to determinant of this. When I am talking about two determinants are equal, it means what? You have to first cross multiply them, then equate them. 2x into x, 2x square minus 15 is equal to 16 to the 32 minus 15. Now simplify it. X square is equal to 16 and x is equal to plus minus 4. But x is greater than 0, it is written in a question. So only x is equal to 4 is the answer for the question. Now in the case of matrix, what you did, when two matrices are equal, just you equate corresponding elements. Don't do this mistake in a determinant. In determinant, you have to first of all cross multiply or simplify, get the determinant value, then equate them. In the matrix, you can put corresponding elements equal. I have given here example of matrix also, just to understand it. What is the difference between determinant and matrix? Now here 2x is equal to 16, the value of x is 8 and x is equal to 2. You are getting two different x values. First you get x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 2. It means these matrices are not equal because it is not possible to get two values in a same matrix. So you can observe solution in the case of matrix and solution in the case of determinant. Don't mix with them. Now illustration 2. Here it is written determinant matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2. These are the elements of 2 by 2. Show that twice of a matrix A and then find out the determinant, or in right hand side first get the determinant value of A, then the that value is multiplied by 4. You will get the same values in left and right sides. Now here I solved it twice of matrix A. It means when you are taking the twice of matrix A, it means you are multiplying each and every element of matrix A by 2. You are getting what? 2, 4, 8 and 4. Now determinant of this is 4 2s are 8, minus 8 4s are 32, 8 minus 32, that is minus 24. This is the left hand side. Now in the right hand side, you have to find out 4 times of determinant value of A. It means first of all you have to solve determinant value, then you have to multiply by 4 that value. Now determinant value of this is what? When you write it in a determinate form, you will get 2 minus 8. You will get minus 6, and 4 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 24. Left and right both are minus 24, both are equal. You can do such type of questions. Suppose this 2 is replaced by 3, then what will be the answer? Here are few questions given in the exercise 4.1. Do exercise 4.1 and make the notes of now chapter 4 and do exercise 4.1. Thank you very much.